Did you know you can get free coffee grounds from Starbucks, and a lot of them? Most people have no idea that every Starbucks gives away their used coffee grounds completely free. All you have to do is ask. At first, we started picking up a single bag or two, maybe 5 or 10 pounds at a time. But once we realized how much they actually throw away every day, we started making it a habit to stop by a few different stores. Before long, we were bringing home 50 pounds of coffee grounds from a single store in one trip. And when we made a route and visited several Starbucks locations each day, the numbers really added up. Over time, we collected thousands of pounds of free coffee grounds, all for zero cost. It's amazing how much material is available if you just ask politely. Now, what do you do with all that coffee? We use it for composting. Coffee grounds are one of the best things you can add to a compost pile. They're rich in nitrogen, they break down fast, and they help balance out the carbon from dry materials like leaves and wood chips. When we bring the bags home, we open them up and dump everything right into our compost pile. Sometimes we mix them in with yard waste. Other times we just spread them out and let nature do the work. If you've ever composted before, you know that the real workers are the worms. Worms love coffee grounds. They come to them almost instantly. You can literally watch the pile come alive as they move through the soil. And when worms are happy, your garden is happy. Because worm castings, basically worm fertilizer, are one of the most powerful natural boosters for plant growth you can get. The coffee grounds feed the worms feed the soil, and the soil feeds the plants. It's a perfect natural cycle. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need a farm. Just start small. Pick up 1 bag of coffee grounds and sprinkle it over your grass or garden bed. Over a few weeks, you'll see the difference. The soil darkens. The plants get greener. And if you're into gardening or composting, you'll save money on fertilizers and bagged soil because this is nature's version, and it's completely free. So the next time you grab a drink at Starbucks, ask if they have any used coffee grounds available. Most baristas know exactly what you mean. They'll hand you a bag labeled "Grounds for your garden" and you're good to go. If you visit 2 or 3 stores a day, you can collect more than enough to keep your compost pile going strong all year long. Free materials, healthy soil, and thriving plants. All from something most people throw away. That's a win for your garden and for the planet.